Meaning of handiness.
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 Handiness. The term handiness refers to a person's ability to use their hands skillfully and effectively. It includes dexterity, coordination, and proficiency in performing manual tasks. Handiness can be developed through practice, training, and experience, and is essential for a wide range of activities, from playing musical instruments and drawing to cooking and construction work. Having good handiness can also improve overall quality of life, as it enhances independence and self-sufficiency. Therefore, it is important to foster and maintain handiness, especially in children and older adults, to promote physical and cognitive health.